OpenAI has just announced that Sora, its advanced AI video generator, is being integrated into ChatGPT. This is a major leap forward, allowing users to create high-quality AI-generated videos directly within the chatbot. Instead of relying on complex software or expensive tools, users will soon be able to generate realistic video content with simple text prompts. This marks a new era for AI-powered content creation, where high-end video production becomes accessible to everyone. Sora is OpenAI's latest innovation, designed to generate stunning videos from written descriptions. Users type in what they want to see, and the AI creates highly realistic animations and cinematic scenes. The system can generate a variety of content, including landscapes, action sequences, and even stylistic visual effects. It can also extend existing video clips, seamlessly adding new frames to make the footage longer and more fluid. The goal is to make high-quality video generation as simple as having a conversation with ChatGPT. The integration of Sora into ChatGPT is designed to streamline the video creation process. Instead of using separate applications, users can generate, refine, and modify video content within a single interface. This makes it easier than ever to bring ideas to life, whether for marketing, storytelling, or social media. The ability to generate videos within ChatGPT will allow businesses, content creators, and hobbyists to produce professional quality visuals at the touch of a button. Sora is expected to be available first to ChatGPT Plus and Pro subscribers. These premium tier users will get early access to experiment with the new AI video tools. OpenAI has also indicated that enterprise users may receive access, potentially allowing businesses to integrate AI-generated video into their workflows. However, free tier users will likely have limited functionality or may need to wait longer before gaining access to Sora's capabilities. OpenAI has yet to confirm exact subscription requirements or pricing for advanced features. While Sora is a powerful tool, it does come with certain limitations. OpenAI has implemented safeguards to prevent misuse, particularly when it comes to creating realistic human likenesses. The system is designed to avoid generating deepfake-style videos or misleading political content. Additionally, the version of Sora integrated into ChatGPT may not have all the same features as the standalone Sora platform. Users should expect some differences in capabilities, especially as OpenAI refines the system over time. The arrival of Sora in ChatGPT has significant implications for video content creation. In the past, producing high-quality videos required expensive cameras, editing software, and a deep understanding of video production techniques. Now, with AI handling the heavy lifting, anyone can create compelling visuals with minimal effort. This is particularly beneficial for marketers, influencers, and small businesses looking to enhance their content without investing in costly resources. The impact of AI-generated video extends beyond just content creation. It also raises important questions about authenticity, creativity, and intellectual property. With AI able to generate lifelike scenes, there is growing concern about the potential for misinformation and ethical misuse. OpenAI has emphasized its commitment to responsible AI development, ensuring that safeguards are in place to prevent the technology from being exploited for deceptive purposes. Sora's ability to generate video content in seconds opens new possibilities for industries such as advertising, education, and entertainment. Advertisers can create custom promotional videos without hiring production teams. Educators can generate visual learning materials tailored to specific lessons. Independent filmmakers can experiment with new storytelling techniques without the budget constraints of traditional film production. The potential applications are vast, and as AI continues to evolve, the creative possibilities will expand even further. One of the most exciting aspects of Sora is its ability to extend existing video footage. This means users can take a short clip and allow AI to generate additional frames, making the scene longer and more fluid. This capability is especially useful for creating seamless transitions in storytelling, enhancing action sequences, or even repairing incomplete footage. By leveraging AI, creators can refine their content without the need for complex editing software. Despite its advantages, the introduction of AI-generated video also raises concerns about job displacement in the creative industry. As AI becomes more capable, some fear that traditional video production roles may become less relevant. However, rather than replacing human creators, AI tools like Sora are expected to serve as a complement to human creativity. By automating tedious aspects of video production, these tools allow creators to focus on higher-level storytelling and artistic direction. The release date for Sora's integration into ChatGPT has not yet been confirmed by OpenAI. However, insiders suggest that the rollout will happen in phases, with early adopters gaining access before a broader public release. Users who want to stay updated on availability should follow OpenAI's official announcements for the latest information. OpenAI has a track record of gradually expanding access to new technologies, ensuring that any issues are addressed before full deployment. The integration of Sora into ChatGPT represents a major step forward in AI-driven content generation. By making high-quality video creation more accessible, OpenAI is lowering the barriers to entry for digital storytelling. This shift will empower individuals and businesses to produce engaging content without the technical expertise traditionally required for video production. As AI continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated video capabilities to emerge. One of the key questions surrounding AI-generated video is whether audiences will embrace it in the same way as traditional media. While some people are excited about the potential for hyper-realistic AI videos, others worry about the impact on authenticity and artistic expression. The rise of AI-generated content may lead to new creative standards, where AI-assisted videos become a normal part of entertainment and marketing. Another consideration is how platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram will handle AI-generated videos. With an increasing number of AI-created clips being uploaded, content moderation policies may need to evolve. Some platforms have already introduced labels for AI-generated content, ensuring transparency for viewers. As Sora becomes more widely used, similar measures may be necessary to distinguish human-made videos from AI-generated ones. AI-powered video creation also introduces new opportunities for interactive media. Imagine a future where users can generate personalized videos on demand, adjusting scenes in real time based on their preferences. This could revolutionize industries such as gaming, virtual reality, and online learning. AI-generated video could allow for fully interactive storytelling experiences where users shape narratives dynamically. While OpenAI is leading the charge with Sora, other tech companies are also investing heavily in AI-generated video. Google, Meta, and other major players are developing their own AI tools capable of creating realistic video content. This competition is likely to accelerate advancements in the field, pushing AI video generation toward even greater realism and efficiency. The future of AI-powered video is unfolding rapidly, and Sora's integration into ChatGPT is just the beginning. As with any emerging technology, responsible use of AI-generated video is essential. OpenAI has committed to maintaining ethical guidelines, but the broader implications of this technology will depend on how users and platforms implement it. It is crucial to strike a balance between innovation and ethical considerations, ensuring that AI-generated videos are used for positive and creative purposes, rather than for deception or misinformation. The big question is whether audiences will fully embrace AI-generated video content. While some viewers are excited about the creative possibilities, others remain skeptical about AI's role in media production. As technology improves, the line between AI-generated and traditional video content will continue to blur. Over time, it may become impossible to distinguish between human-made and AI-generated footage. Sora's integration into ChatGPT is a milestone in AI development, bringing video generation to a mainstream audience. Whether you are a marketer, a content creator, or just someone who enjoys experimenting with AI, this new tool opens the door to a world of creative possibilities. The question now is how people will choose to use it. Will AI video generation become an essential part of digital content, or will traditional methods still dominate? Would you trust AI to create your videos? Do you think AI video will replace human creators? Or will it simply be another tool in the creative toolbox? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on the latest in AI technology, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. The future of video is here, and it's powered by AI.